Taikina Beauty SC2. Like this look? Keep watching. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Taikina Beauty. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Taikina Beauty. Good morning, everybody. It's day 2 of KatsuCon. I'm so tired. I gotta get ready, but it won't take me as long, thank the Lord. Whew, because I took forever yesterday. I felt so bad, but... Let's get into it. Bad bitch link up. I just pull up and brings up. I bet you wanna send me naked touch. Oh hell nah. First things first, we're going in with a face mask. Mask was featured in my iHerb haul. I like it a lot. It had good properties in it. My only con about it was very difficult to take it off, like the peeling from the mask. I didn't know which was which, so it took me a while to figure that out. But it made my skin feel amazing. It felt glowy. Definitely try it out. Now we're gonna moisturize. I have so many moisturizers, you guys. I'm using a Marshall brand. I'll link that. It had argan oil in it. Why did I get these contacts, you guys? They look just like my eye color, like one shade lighter. If you see in the rim, like they blend in. Wow, that's so funny. I feel like my eyes aren't this color. Girl, what was the reason? Does it look like your eyes or not? Make up your mind. Now going in with my favorite primer, Laura Mercier, and gonna put on some sunscreen. I forgot. This is my Chayelle. It was really hard for me to rub it in, and I found that like so frustrating. But nonetheless, it was a great price and had good ingredients. Sunscreen was so thick. I had to blend it in with a beauty blender. Then we're going in with Ilia eyebrow brush cream. I like it. It just gets very clumpy and I cannot stand that I always lose it. Now we're going in with some LA Girl concealer. Gonna rub that in with my Eco Tools brush. I really like Eco Tools brush. Now we're gonna spray my little mini cute beauty blender and apply Well People concealer. I have really dark circles. Going in with a Smashbox mini palette. At first it was Lorac. Now this Smashbox mini palette was featured in my Cyber Monday haul. You guys should check that out. I got a really good deal. I only paid $20 for 4 Smashbox mini palettes. It was definitely worth the price. Now it is time to bake. I got this from my iHerb haul. You guys should watch that video too. It's the Everyday Minerals. shout out to my sister Cam. She got me these cute. They're like Sailor Moon inspired makeup brushes. They're adorable. They're really good quality too. I'm gonna ask her where I got them from so you guys can look into that. We're contouring with Miss Fenty Beauty. I honestly don't know how I feel about this contour. I don't know. I feel like it doesn't stick. I think I need to try something else. I'm getting kind of tired with it. Please don't come at me. Or I really do want to try her new blushes, but I don't know. I'm kind of on a miss with this contour. Now we're gonna unbake and take all this off. My insecurity is peaking, so I'm going to go back in with a concealer, that same Well People concealer, and wet that sponge and dab away. Just keep going. I notice if you do have really dark circles, this tends to help if you put your concealer on, then powder and concealer on. Just keep switching off until you have that builded coverage. It sounds crazy, but it honestly, in actuality, it works. Now, my forehead's really shiny, and I get that a lot, so I'm gonna bake my forehead. Fingers crossed. I don't put makeup on my forehead because I think my forehead is flawless, doesn't need foundation, doesn't need coverage. The only reason why I wear foundation. Now time for hair. This wig. Oh, wow. I just killed the packaging. So pretty. Oh, it's so cute. I swear this wig did not look like what it looked like on the description. If I knew what I knew now, I would have been smart enough to do my costume first. This costume was absolutely beautiful. I paid like $80 I think for it, 90 plus shipping. It was just so complicated. I'll talk about it more maybe in my vlog. But it's gorgeous, down to every detail. This looks exactly like the CC Empress outfit. If you're into code Geass, you know what's up. I like C2, CC, whatever you want to call her. I think she's such a waifu. Thumbs up if you know what that means. But this wig was driving me crazy because it is synthetic hair. I had to constantly keep brushing it. I wish I had time to actually get a human hair wig and just dye it, but that would have took me a lot of time, and this is a last minute cosplay. If you are gonna wear a synthetic wig and go to an anime convention, I do recommend to bring a brush. If not, it's not gonna stay, unless if you use hairspray, but even with that, I highly doubted it because I sprayed this bad boy with so much hairspray. Synthetic hair life, it's fun. And I put oil in it. I only did this because I had a synthetic wig I used around Christmas time. I'll show you guys the picture of that wig, and I put oil in it, and that bad boy is stayed put. Maybe because I flat ironed it too, and I don't recommend anybody doing that because sometimes synthetic hair doesn't have the range on it of how much you can use on it. But yeah, there's my story on that. But now I'm going in with her little bat wings that she wears. I really don't know what you call these, but they're super cute. I almost forgot them. I'm glad I didn't. This costume was really awesome. I do recommend it, but bring some bobby pins, some safety pins with you, and I think you'll be okay. But I think that's with every cosplay costume. You just have to be prepared because anything can happen. While I was walking with this costume on, it had that attachment there. You see what I'm holding there? And I had to button it to my waist. It was so pretty, and it kept falling. Every time I would walk, somebody would step on my dress, and it would pull off. It was so frustrating. It was so annoying, to the point where I had to pin it at the end of the night. Okay, all right, so here we have it. Here is the look. I love it. I did run a little bit on time, short on time, but hey, we got it done. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Later.